Deception Pass Bridge. I'm gonna go down and go under the bridge and come back up again. This is coming down underneath the bridge. See how the water's just ripping through there? Oops, there goes the boat. And there's the Deception Pass Bridge. Pretty cool. I'm gonna go up the stairs. Got me a little out of breath. Way out in the distance is a sailboat. Okay, so we're kind of working here on building up the dirt, leveling it out so the dogs won't be able to dig underneath it. After running bigger equipment, it's frustrating how small the bucket is, but compared to using a wheelbarrow, it's amazing. You can see how tall these trees are. Little tiny stumps. Makes them real easy to blow over. Probably my biggest fear here is that I'll have trees blowing over when everything's all said and done. We'll make sure that the buildings are not close enough to a tree to get damaged by them. I don't know if you remember a couple of videos ago how this looked, but this was just so much brush. I had the garden hose that ran around the outside of this tree that forks. Barely walked through without tripping. May have mentioned it before, but I learned that the secret was to actually back in and use the backhoe kind of like a rake, and then turn around with the grapple and grab up what you've raked out of there. It gets a lot easier on the equipment. It actually does a pretty good job.
Dog fence. Tuesday, November 5th. No, scratch that. Monday, November 5th. If it were Tuesday, we'd be in trouble. He did all of this fence. Look at that. All the way around. The hills say I'm going fast, so I'm going to stop there. But obviously it's not finished because Scarlett will just go right underneath. We don't want those to hit the fence once it gets it up in the winter.
You can hear the jets flying over top. They're all coming from the Naval Air Base up by Oak Harbor.
Don't hit your wife. Poor tall, skinny tree. See it wiggling? Kaboom.
And these logs I'm going to spread around on the inside of the fence and use a fencing staple.
Wow.
Keep the dogs from digging out underneath or crawling underneath. So that's about 10 trees at once.
My strong man. Wednesday, November the 5th. Back at the property. Steve's made great progress on our fence. And of course, I was filming him while Mercy was dropping a big cute pile of logs. And the camera quit working, so I missed it. But Tim, secret garden, secret forest. Now the dog run. Until there are people here. But it's big and fabulous. He's done a heck of a lot of work. There he goes. Boy, howdy. That's a big one, dear. I wish you would cut that one in half.
Then it would take 2 trips.
Golly doodle all the day. Move that, Scarlet. That was heavy.
That was heavy. So this concludes our video. At this point in time, the dog run is ready. The bunkhouse is going to be a dog house, and when we move down there, they have somewhere to go. We're going to transition here to some pictures of the Puget Sound as we're getting on the ferry down in Clinton, getting ready to head back to Seattle. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave me some really cool comments. I love it when I get comments, even if they're silly ones from my children. You guys have a great rest of your day. My next videos are probably going to be about Juneau, Alaska, because that's where we're leaving to go down to Whidbey. Until then, you have a great time, and we'll catch you later. And goodbye to Whidbey Island.